Hey guys, today we're talking about adding color to your Discord messages. Discord doesn't officially support colors, but you can get creative with code blocks. Sounds tricky, but it's not. Let's get into it. To start, you'll use 3 backticks like this. Now, after the backticks, we must type either coding language name or document type, or some other directive. There is a directive called fix, but also many others. Let's use fix. Hit enter and type your message. Close with 3 backticks. Now your message will show up in cornflower blue. Want more colors? Let's try JavaScript. Use the 3 backticks and then type JavaScript. You can make text gray by using JavaScript comments like /*. Close it with 3 backticks again. For red or green, type diff after the 3 backticks. Use a minus sign for red and a plus sign for green before your text. Yeah, it'll show those symbols, but that's the trade-off for no official color support. You can also use Markdown called MD for blue text. Just start your text with a hashtag after typing MD next to the backticks. To add purple color to your text, use asciidoc type, and start your text with a dot. To paint text in bright green, use MD and start it with right angle bracket. 2 more quick ones. For red text, use ML and capitalize the first letter of every word. For orange, use prologue, and do the same with capitalization. Wrap it up with 3 backticks and you're done. That's how you add color to your Discord messages. It's not perfect, but it works.